Are you looking for the best smart TVs in 2025? Whether you want crystal clear 8K resolution, blazing fast refresh rates, or cutting-edge AI features, we've got you covered. In this video we'll be counting down the top 5 best smart TVs in 2025 that offer stunning visuals, immersive sound, and the latest smart features to elevate your home entertainment experience. Make sure to watch till the end to find out which TV takes the #1 spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Number 5, Samsung S95D. Samsung has once again raised the bar with the S95D OLED TV, delivering breathtaking picture quality and cutting-edge technology. This 4K QD-OLED masterpiece combines the vibrant colors of quantum dots with the deep blacks of OLED, resulting in an unparalleled viewing experience. With an impressive 144 Hz refresh rate, gamers will love the ultra-smooth motion, while movie lovers will appreciate the cinema-grade HDR performance. Plus, Samsung's new anti-glare coating ensures that reflections are minimal, making this the perfect TV for any room, no matter the lighting conditions. Beyond the visuals, the Samsung S95D is packed with smart features that enhance convenience and entertainment. The AI-powered neural quantum processor upscales content to near 4K quality, while Tizen OS provides a seamless interface with all your favorite apps. The built-in Dolby Atmos sound adds an immersive audio experience, eliminating the need for external speakers in most cases. With its sleek, bezel-less design, this TV looks as stunning off as it does on. If you're searching for the best OLED TV of 2025, the Samsung S95D is a game-changer that's worth every penny. Number 4, Hisense U6. And the Hisense U6N is redefining what a budget-friendly QLED TV can offer in 2025. With its vibrant quantum dot technology, full-array local dimming, and Dolby Vision support, this TV delivers deep blacks, rich colors, and impressive contrast that rivals higher-end models. Whether you're watching 4K movies, streaming your favorite shows, or gaming, the U6N's 120 Hz refresh rate with VR ensures a smooth and immersive experience. Plus, its Google TV interface makes navigating content a breeze, with built-in voice control and access to thousands of apps. What truly sets the Hisense U6N apart is its outstanding value for the price. While many budget TVs compromise on brightness or color accuracy, the U6N holds its ground with a high peak brightness of 600 nits, making HDR content pop even in well-lit rooms. The built-in 40W Dolby Atmos speakers offer surprisingly good sound, reducing the need for an external soundbar. If you're looking for a feature-packed smart TV without breaking the bank, the Hisense U6N is one of the best options in 2025. Number 3, Hisense U8. And the Hisense U8N takes mini-LED technology to the next level, delivering jaw-dropping brightness, deep blacks, and incredible contrast that rivals even some premium OLEDs. With up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, this TV shines in both dark and bright environments, making HDR content truly pop. Hisense's ULED technology and 144 Hz refresh rate ensure ultra-smooth motion, whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite action-packed movies. Plus, with Google TV built-in, navigating through apps and settings is seamless, with voice control making it even more convenient. What truly sets the U8N apart is its value for money. You're getting high-end performance at a mid-range price, making it one of the best deals in the 2025 smart TV market. Gamers will appreciate its low input lag, VRR, and HDMI 2.1 ports, ensuring an ultra-responsive experience on next-gen consoles. The audio system is another surprise, with Dolby Atmos support and a built-in subwoofer delivering immersive sound that outperforms many competitors. If you're looking for a feature-packed TV that doesn't break the bank, the Hisense U8N is an absolute game-changer. Number 2, Roku Pro Series. The Roku Pro Series takes smart TV performance to a whole new level with its crystal-clear 4K QLED display, ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and built-in Dolby Atmos support. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies or gaming at high frame rates, the vibrant colors and deep contrasts make every scene look breathtaking. Plus, Roku's user-friendly OS and voice-enabled remote ensure seamless navigation, letting you access thousands of apps with just a simple command. But what really sets the Roku Pro Series apart is its next-gen AI-powered picture enhancement and adaptive audio tuning. This TV automatically adjusts brightness and sound based on your surroundings, delivering an optimized experience no matter the lighting or room size. With a sleek, bezel-less design and hands-free voice control, it blends innovation with convenience, making it a top contender for the best smart TV of 2025. Number 1, LG C4. The LG C4 OLED takes everything we loved about its predecessor and cranks it up a notch. With its next-gen OLED Evo panel, this TV delivers unparalleled contrast, deeper blacks and ultra-vibrant colors, making every scene come to life. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies or streaming your favorite shows, the Dolby Vision and HDR10 support ensure breathtaking picture quality. Plus, the Alpha 9 Gen 7 AI processor enhances clarity and sharpness, making even lower-resolution content look stunning. But what really sets the LG C4 apart is its insane gaming performance. With a 144Hz refresh rate, NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync and near-instant response times, this TV is a dream for gamers. The Game Optimizer mode allows for quick settings adjustments, while 4 HDMI 2.1 ports ensure full compatibility with next-gen consoles like the PS5 and Xbox Series X. Whether you're a casual viewer or a hardcore gamer, the LG C4 OLED is easily one of the best smart TVs of 2025. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.